Here's how to change your language in Odoo. So to change the language of both your Odoo account and your website, you want to click Settings on your Odoo account right here. And then one of the first options in your general settings is Languages. So you can see currently I have one language, which is English. And I'm going to click Add Languages. And now you can pick one of these, or you can click Search More. And I'm just going to search for Dutch and select it right here. And then I could choose to also translate any websites such as this one and then click Add. And now I can choose to switch to Dutch. And if I do that, then you will see now everything is in Dutch. Now you may not speak Dutch, but basically everything is now in Dutch. And now on my website in the top right, you can see it's still set to English, but now I also have Dutch. So that's what it says right here. And if the person clicks on it, then now stuff will be translated to Dutch. Now it's going to take some time, but basically that is how it works. So for example, in the top right here, it's already updated. So for example, this right here says contact us, and now it is in Dutch. This is also in Dutch, and basically it takes a little bit of time, but then everything will update. And now the standard language for the website is still English. So if you load it up, it's English. If you want to change that to whatever language you just picked, you want to click on website right there, then click configuration and then settings. And now here you have the languages. Now here where it says standard, you just need to set it to the other language and then click save in the top left. And now if I head back over into my website, now the standard language will be Dutch. As you can see, now the normal link is just the Dutch website, and the /en link is the English website. So therefore the Dutch website is now the normal one. So now you know how to change the language in Odoo. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.